Hey guys, this is Juan here, and today I'm gonna share with you some of the things I've learned about picking your niche in business. So, picking your niche before you start any business is really important because you want to know what kind of market you're going to target, who is your ideal customer, and if there is even any demand for that market. If you choose the wrong niche and you put all your efforts into the wrong niche, you're just wasting your time, your money, and your energy. So this step is crucial before you start any business. So if you want to start a new business and you want to choose the right niche, then keep on watching. In this video, I'm going to share some of the tips I've learned about picking the right niche for you. Okay? So the first step that I recommend is do some brainstorming with yourself. Ask yourself some questions like what are you interested in? How knowledgeable are you in those topics? Okay, so you want to pick something that you're interested in because that will help you keep going even when it gets hard. And you want to be quite knowledgeable because you will be sharing a lot of content around that topic. So you want to pick something that you have some knowledge and you want to learn more about it. Okay. And the last question I recommend you ask yourself is, will I be interested in that topic in 5 years, 10 years from now? And it's just a guess, but you don't want to pick a topic that you're temporarily interested in because you want to think of a business as a long-term thing and not just something to make quick buck. Okay, so if you pick something that you're just interested in a few months and you start putting out content and then you get bored, you will lose that momentum and you would have invested your energy and your resources for nothing because you won't be willing to keep going when it gets hard and when you get bored. Okay, so first do this brainstorming with yourself, and if you're having some struggles coming up with ideas and things you're interested in the next step I'm going to show you something that will help you choose the right topics for you and narrow down your search. Okay, so let's go over to my computer. I want to show you some of the tips that I've learned about picking your niche. And I also recommend you don't choose a general niche like fitness, okay, because you want to be very specific in your business. You want to talk to a specific audience because you will be able to better cater their needs and help them than if you were talking to a general public. Okay, so, and this is really important because when people feel you really understand them and know them, they will like you and trust you and know you better, and they will be willing to buy your services, your products, your recommendations, whatever you offer. Okay, so niching down is really important. Okay, so let me show you how I learned to do that. Okay, let's go over to my computer. So the first tip that I learned is to go to Amazon's bestseller for Kindle. Okay, and I will leave a link in the description below so you can access it pretty easily. But basically, it's the 100 top sellers of books on Amazon. Okay, and on the screen, I want you to go to Kindle eBooks. Click on here. And you will see that there are a lot of categories that come down, okay? And each is a broad niche, okay? So, for example, let's say that when I did my brainstorming or when I'm looking in here and something pops up for me, I'm interested in business and money, okay? So let's select business and money. And you will see there are several subcategories that come up. So we are starting to niche down and get more focused. Okay, instead of just business and money, it can be accounting, it can be economics, it can be finance, entrepreneurship. Okay, we are niching down, so this is important, and this is a great way to do that, because if there is content on Kindle, and that means there is a demand for it. That means there is a niche, a whole category around that niche. Okay, so let's keep niching down just to show you. Let's say I am interested in investing inside of business, so I can niche down further, and then you see another subcategories show up. Okay, so again, keep the process until no more subcategories come up. Okay, so let's say I am interested in analysis and trading, and you see when I select analysis and trading, no more subcategories come up. Okay, so this is the furthest down niche that you can go to according to Amazon Kindle. Okay, and after you've done that, you can look around and see what books are offered in here, what topics are popular in that niche, and see if you can connect with that, if you're interested in it. Because when you select your niche, you want to select something that you will want to read a lot of books about, and see videos, and take courses, and maybe go to seminars. So the topic is gotta be interesting to you, and it's not a must, but you will have a big advantage if that topic speaks to you personally and you're passionate about it. It will come out as more authentic when you talk to your audience, and it will give you a big advantage over someone that just picks a niche for the money. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna see who are your ideal customer, and what are they asking, what are their questions, their interests. And this is important to know if you can really solve their problem, and if you will be interested in solving their problems. Okay, so I recommend you go to forums like Quora and Reddit, and just look around and see what questions are people asking around your niche. Okay, so let's say I'm on Quora right now, and I wanna see what people are asking about analysis and trading strategies. Okay, so I can write analysis and trading strategies. I go to questions. Okay, so let's be more broad. Okay, let's go to investing. Let's write investing. And you can see what questions are people asking around that topic. Okay, what are the best ways to invest money? How should a young person invest money? Should I invest in Bitcoin? Okay, so you get an idea about Bitcoin, maybe create content about Bitcoin. How should a person in their early 20s invest their money? So maybe your audience is young. Okay, in real estate investing, is owning a rental property worth the headache? Okay, so different kinds of investing. Okay, because it's a little bit of a broader niche, but if you go deeper, you will understand what keywords you should be looking for. Okay, what phrases, what people are asking, and you should ask yourself, are you interested in solving those problems? Are you knowledgeable enough? Will you be interested in learning to solve these problems? Okay, maybe you don't have the knowledge right now, but you're very interested in investing, and you're willing to read a few books and courses and start creating content around it to attract people to you through YouTube, through Facebook, any social media. And then offer your products, get them to your email list and start offering your products or your recommendations, your services. So this is the third step. Okay, the next step that I recommend you do is you validate that there is a demand for that market. Okay, and I recommend you use a free tool called Ubersuggest. Okay, and it's a keyword research tool. And on the search bar, search for popular keywords in your niche. Okay, so let's say I wanted to know more about the investing niche. I will write down investing. Okay, click on search. And here we can see there is a lot of demand for that keyword. Okay, there's 135,000 people looking for that keyword each month. That's a lot of people. It also gives you some ideas. Although this tool is free and it's not the best, I mean, if you want to go deeper into keyword research, then I recommend going to Ahrefs or Moz, or there are more paid keyword research tools. But just to start and see some of the demand for what you're interested in knowing, you can start with Ubersuggest. Okay, it's a great tool by Neil Patel. And search for different phrases and topics that people may be asked on Quora, and see how much people are searching for it each month. Okay, because you might be interested in a topic, but if there isn't any demand for it, I mean, you won't succeed, because you won't be able to sell to enough people to really make a living off of that. Okay, so your efforts will be wasted if you don't choose a niche that has got enough demand. Okay, so this step is very important. Okay, take your time and search for many keywords that you think people will search for. Okay, so basically, if you see that you're interested in answering those questions that people are answering, and you can provide solutions, because this is what a business do. Okay, a business provides a solution to somebody, and you see that there is a demand for that market, then it's probably a good niche for you. Okay, now don't be a perfectionist and look for the perfect niche for you, because it's pretty hard to find, especially if you're new and you never created any content, or you created a little bit, or you never went into that topic, you never delved deep into that topic. Just choose a few niches that you might be interested in, and choose one that is the best fit for you right now. Okay, and start. Okay, don't procrastinate. Start. Along the way, you can shift and you can change niches. You can change your approach. Maybe just go to a different sub niche. Okay, you don't have to change the entire big niche. Okay, you don't have to go from business to fitness. You can go from investing to accounting. Maybe you're interested in both. Okay, and don't think that it's a wasted time and effort, because you learn a lot of things along the way, and you know what to do, what not to do, and this will serve you in your next business. I mean, many successful people have started businesses and they haven't succeeded. They failed many times before they were able to succeed. Okay, and they changed their approach. Never quit. Always change your approach, evolve, because the person that evolves will win eventually. Okay, and after you decided on your niche, that's just a bonus. I suggest you do some competitor research and see what your competitors are offering. Okay, as a solution, what is already on the market, and see what you can improve. Okay, so let's say that you think about offering some physical product. You can go to Amazon and you can search for that specific product. So I just went to the music niche and selected earpods. Let's say that you think earpods can help your audience. Okay, so I would look around the best products, and I will go to the reviews, and I will search the 4-star and 3-star reviews to see what people are saying. Okay, so you can read what people are saying they are missing. Okay, usually if you go to the first to the 1-star reviews, most of the time it's just people that like to complain, or if you go to the 5 stars you won't get anything from it. Okay, but if you go to the 3 and 4 stars, these are people that maybe like the product and it helped them, but they were missing some component that you can improve on. Okay, so you can stand out from your competition. Okay, and let's say you want to sell information products or something like that. Just Google your problem, ask your questions, the questions that people are asking around that topic. Ask it on Google and see what comes up as an answer. Okay, see what people are offering. If they're offering courses, what are they offering in their courses? If they are offering I don't know, the content, what content are they offering? Maybe there is a specific question that people are not getting answers to, and you can provide that answer. So think of ways to stand out from your competition. And yeah, this is the process of selecting your niche, of finding your niche in business. This is just something I wanted to share with you, something that I've learned and I think can benefit you as well. So if you find value in that video, then give me a thumbs up. That really helps me out. If you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel and make sure to tick that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.